Doesn't it look delicious? It's amazing. Oh my God. Who's gonna eat this? Me. We never look at the past in a nostalgic way. We look at the past in a critic way to get the best from the past into the future. Taka, join me, please. Here my buddy, Taka, my brother, in my restaurant, Osteria Francescana. We are rated the best restaurant in the world, but it's much more than that. It's about feeding people with emotions. Basta, vado via, basta. I want to teach you the way to evolve classic recipes from traditional Italian cuisine and bring them into the future. This is like the pasta is talking to you and is saying, eat me, please, eat me, I'm here for you. How you can improve tradition. This is panettone in a traditional way. This is a panettone you can make from the leftover. Can you imagine? But this is 100 times better than this. You know, in cooking, you always have to keep the door open for the unexpected. I want to tell you a story. At the moment I had to create pesto for 120 people, we are out of pine nuts. What are we gonna do? Breadcrumbs. We put breadcrumbs instead of pine nuts. This is like exactly how to evolve tradition. Tradition in evolution. Don't throw away anything. You can use everything and make it even better. Ask those ingredients the right question. They're gonna answer. Cooking is an act of love and is bigger and is deeper. So you're gonna explore where you come from. You're gonna explore your memories. Your palate is gonna talk to you and is gonna tell you where to go. It's up to you because you are expressing yourself, your experience, your own flavor. I'm gonna show you how to be free to imagine, to dream, to transfer emotion. Sono Massimo Bottura e questa è la mia masterclass.